Welcome aboard, welcome back, boys, to another Chumash lesson. I'm so excited. I love Chumash. I love Torah. Hashem, I love you. So, today you are super lucky because we'll be learning a double pasuk, a double dose of Torah. 2 pasukim, 2 in 1. Here we go. Today's first pasuk is pasuk Yudalad, and the second one we're going to learn soon, very soon, is going to be pasuk Tedvav. In pasuk Yudalad, what's happening? Basically, Avram Sarai, they get down to Mitzrayim, they get down to Egypt. And they get there, and the officers of Pharaoh, they see that she is such a pretty woman. They see that she is a very nice-looking lady, and they saw her beauty. And that's basically what the pasuk talks about. Very simple to the point. Now, with your detective eye, I know you all have a very detective eye. Where's your detective eye? Yeah, very good. And you will see in this pasuk, you will see a word. It says mitzrayma. Anytime you have a kamatz hey at the end of a place, you always add the word el or to. So Mitzrayim would be, good job, to Mitzrayim. If there was a word, let's say Israela, it would be to Israel. America would be to America. Anytime you have an extra or kamat hey at the end of a word, it means to. Great job. For example, I live in Queens. So let's say there would be a word, a makeup word, Queens and a kamate at the end, and it would be to queens. You add the word el, which means to. Great job. Okay, now let's do pasuk Yudalad together. Here we go. Vayhi, and it was kevo Avram, when Avram came Mitzrayim to Mitzrayim. Vayiru ha-Mitzrim, and the Mitzrim saw et ha-isha, the woman, ki yafahi me'od, that she is very pretty. She was a very pretty woman, and that's what they saw. Oh, you boys are in for a treat for today's double dose, 2 pasukim. For our second pasuk, pasuk Tedvav, we'll be learning about and continuing learning about all the officers. Sarei Paro, not Sarai. Sarei Paro. There's a difference between Sarai and Sarei. Sarei means officers of, because Asar is an officer, and A at the end of a word is S of. So Sarei would be officers of. Great job. Sarei Paro. They looked at Sarai and they're like, wow, you're so pretty. And they praised her to Paro, and they said, Paro, she's so pretty. They praised her. For example, if I say, Yaakov, oh my gosh, that's awesome. You're an amazing soccer player. Or if I tell Moshe, you're really good at basketball. Yehuda, remember last week when you put that ball in the air and it went into the hoop? You're awesome. Daniel, great shot. I love it. Great. That was an amazing goal. Israel, you're doing great. I'm praising. All these words are praises. Praises is giving shevach, is telling them how amazing they are. So the Sarei Paro, the officers of Paro, they are giving so many praises and telling Paro, you don't understand. She's pretty and she's this and she's that and she's so amazing. Before we begin the pasuk, the question is as follows. In the last pasuk, if you remember, you probably remember, it said Vayru ota ha-Mitzrim. The Mitzrim saw her. And in this pasuk Tedvav, it says Sarei Paro saw her. The officers of Paro saw her. I don't get it. Who really saw Sarai? Was it the Mitzrim, the Egyptians? Or was it Sarei Paro, the officers of Paro? Who saw her? I don't get it. Last pasuk it said the Egyptians saw her, Vayru ota ha-Mitzrim, and the Mitzrim saw her. And now it says Sarei Paro saw her. So who was it? We're going to find out in this pasuk. Here we go, boys. Okay, don't forget to put your etzba al makom, finger on the place, on the makom, on the place, so you could follow along with us. Don't forget, you could pause. Yes, that button over there, yeah. Pause the video at any point if you feel like you don't understand it, and just rewind and go back so then you can hear the pasuk again. Here we go, pasuk Tedvav. Vayiru ota, and they saw her, Sarei Paro, the officers of Paro. Vayhallelu ota, and they praised her, El Paro, to Paro, beautiful. Vatukacha isha, and they took the woman, Bet Paro, to the house of Paro. Beautiful job, great work. on today's pasuk, double pasuk. That was awesome. Now to answer the question that we said before, who really saw her first? Was it the Mitzrim? Before we said Vayiru ota ha-Mitzrim, and the Mitzrim, the Egyptians, these evil people, saw her. And then now in the pasuk it says Vayiru ota Sarei Paro, and the officers of Paro saw her. So who really saw her? The answer is, boys, that first the Mitzrim, the Egyptians, they were looking and looking and looking, and they saw her, and they, wow, my gosh, she's so beautiful. And then what happened was the Sarei Paro, the officers of Paro, saw her. So again, the Mitzrim saw her first, the regular Egyptian citizens, the people, and then the Sarei Paro, the officers of Paro, then saw her and praised her beauty and went over to Paro and told Paro about it. Stay tuned, boys, for the next pasuk. I can't wait. I love learning Chumash with you together. That was an incredible lesson, boys. Thank you for joining us on today's lesson, and I can't wait to see you on the next lesson. Bezrat Hashem.
This is my home, this is the place to be.